Hey guys, I hope you're right. I hope you're good. Welcome, welcome. It's been long since it is cut, but yes, I'm here. I'm here. The girl's here. So, anginalutho engizokwenza, but I'm trying to cook something, and I'm watching. I know maybe kwabanye it's something that is old or something, but yeah, I'm watching Ghost Hlobi and Sima's videos on YouTube. I just saw them go to Born for the past few days, 2 days. I was like, why is Ghost so trending? Why are trending Ben Simi? But I was like, okay. Then Magit get an account that Ghost. I was like, what? What's going on? Like, skip her more what, but yeah. Actually, I'm gonna be watching them and also be baking some few cakes and I'm a panel tunj. I'm a cake today, but I won't be showing you guys will see God's engine because yeah, I don't have e tripod. My tripod is missing. So I'm using my hand and it's back somewhere. So if ever you move, I'm moving around. I'm like, but yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy. It's just a small vlog or something, just to catch up. I'm like, yeah, but again, let me just bake. Hopefully, I'm gonna be able to show you. Kancane, just nip in there, ukuthi ngenzani. So yeah, please enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, guys. Please don't mind my face, yo. I'm going through it, but yeah, yeah, guys. As I was saying, go to my face. I'm going through it. I don't know what's happening. Give me la maqhubu and I'm not liking them, and they're painful. Angazi noma enziwa ukuthi bekuyilezo nsuku lezo yini. I was okay for the past few weeks. Kodwa manje I'm like, what's going on? Yabona nje ukuthi nginamaqhubu engingawazi these. So thinking of going back to my own Portia M product because bengisasebenzisa uVaseline and it's not working. Cause inkinga kusebusika la kuyabanda bafethu ekuseni kuyabanda ngifuna ungasho kuyabanda ngendlela kubanda ngayo iqhomo ziya-crack-a and I cannot afford to have iqhomo ey'crack-ile at least ngaba nama-pimples because I can clean them out than ukuba nesikosha ebusweni I can't. Ngicabuzela nje uVaseline nekhuzani ne-skin oil nje kuphela as you see me. But other than that, let's get into it. Maybe sizokhuluma along the way. Ngitshela ukuthi what do I think about Ghost Nosima's issues because I'm still watching and I don't like it. Fine, whatever's happening, yes, ngiwazwile amaphepha omgosi nani nani, but I feel like there's a foul play here. And I think this is orchestrated, it's some sort of reality, scripted reality, a comedy prank or something. I don't believe ukuthi they're breaking up. I think they're acting up. But guess ngisafuna ukukubukisisa kahle ngithi ukuthi maybe I'm gonna get a closure. Let me bake, guys. Bye for now. Hi guys, I'm done. I'm not baking really, but yeah, ngiqedile khona. I was just watching. Bana says, I love the interior designer. Dun, 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 dun. I like them. I just That's so comforting. I think. Okay, yes, I can say that. Yeah. I'm going to pick up this mic, but yeah. Sorry about the sound, but yeah, I'm here. Actually, okay. I watched Ghost Story in 2020. I was like, okay, fine. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like it's too orchestrated. I feel like that they entertain by they're faking it. Maybe no my main was color because they've been faking so many things. Like I'm so done with them. So this is why I even don't follow even Ghost because I don't understand pranks. Yeah, it's that good, but for me they're kind of like boring. But yeah, so I was just watching them. But yeah, any other way, and I was watching it to find where else. But Fantana. No, Kanyimbawa, yes. Fantana and Kanyimbawa, they were from young and African, but young, famous and African. Yes. Young African, whatever. Kodwa ke khona lapho. Love, they were talking about sex. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that's a topic important ekumele ngabe siyakhuluma ngayo but sesaba ukukhuluma ngayo because sisaba ukuthi bazothini abantu abadala and out but isikhathini samanje asekho leso sinto lezo you just have to talk about things. If ever you have to talk about something, you have to talk about it. You like it or you don't. Uthanda ungathandi fanele sikhulume ngakho because izinto ezikhona around us and ziyiqiniso because we have to understand. Yabona nje when they were saying I wish I could bring back my sex like my body count or just bring back to my old time ukuthi start afresh then maybe ngingaqala phansi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyenze amaphutha engiyenzile like special bakhuluma ngokuthi uh ngifisa sangabe ngilalanga nomuntu thizeni mhlawumbe like basho njalo but that is not possible to be bringing back but yeah it happens to the best of us but yeah it happens to the best of us but yeah I can say with him kunzima bafethu kunzima let's just be honest ukuthi kunzima whether siyakuvuma lokho noma sikuvumi but kunzima into engingayisho nje ukuthi if ever you're still a young woman still young and you're still trying to find yourself trying to find your leash trying to find your balance trying to balance your life please tread carefully abafana bamanje they don't care I don't wanna lie abantu uma bezokutshela ukuthi abafana bazokutshela ukuthi wathola ingane yami ngiyakushiya I'm like what I was like what wathola ingane wangitholisa ingane yangishiya kanjalo like how like kanjani and they're like yes I can and I will why should I stay with you because usule ngane ngifuna umuntu fresh mina like angazi impilo yamanje iyashesha it's very fast very fast very I don't know in that thing engayithandi engayi-understand but yeah it's there it's just that uma umuntu esifazane njengamanje what I can tell you ukuthi please tread carefully and take care of yourself because never count on your man make sure you have everything on your hands don't even think of having ingane usasemncane because you'll struggle yes success struggle njengamanje abantu abaningi they know how to do more and make money and yeah but what I can tell you, please, guys, trade carefully. If ever uyazazi ukuthi awunawo step forward or yazi i-turn right or turn left yakho uzokwazi ukuthi ikusize. Please make sure ukuthi uyazinakekela, uyafunda, have something on your hands, work on yourself, make sure ukuthi yonke into yakho i-right because abafana la ngaphandle abadlali. Yeah, you can have sex, you can have every day sex, but then what? Sex is just sex. But empilweni yakho, your qualification, your education, your work is everything. Iyo yonke into onayo empilweni yakho, and there's nothing, no one can take that away from you. Angifuni ungasho. No one can take away from you that, because kungokwakho, and that's it. But yeah, guys, bengafuni ukukhuluma kakhulu. I was not blabbering. That was it. I'm done. I just wanted to upload something. Kahle kahle indaba yami ngifuna ukukhuluma indaba ya ghost nona, because I know how I feel, but I feel like it's just scripted. But maybe it's true, but I don't know. Yeah. So born in the few months to come ukuthi kwenzakalani, and whatever the story may be. Sizokwamukela lokho okufikayo, sithule sibukele. But yeah, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, I beg you. Please subscribe. I know ngisasemusha, but ngiyanicela ngicela subscribe and like and comment. Just drop a heart down below and say, yeah, and tell me what do you want me to talk about any day next video, because njengamanje I'm gonna be dropping a question on Instagram, so ngizolindela interaction. I'm gonna be asking people so many questions. What him, as a young woman, what would you ask a 30-year-old woman about him, anything? You might don't worry, ngeke ngize igama, but yeah. But anyway, I'll show you guys the outcome of my case. The horrible ones, but yeah. Peace, guys. Bye. Thank you.